Cattle in a quiet field, most of them have an RFID tag. A giant warehouse. RFID tags are everywhere. How do you read these tags easily? With RFID readers from IST RFID. What is RFID technology? Radio frequency identification, RFID, uses electromagnetic fields to automatically identify and track tags attached to objects. An RFID system consists of a tiny radio transponder, a radio receiver and transmitter. Here is the IST CS108 reader. Featuring long read range up to 15 meters, linear polarized antenna, rugged design, and can be used with any device or OS. This read range enables fast inventory of items on pallets, warehouse shelves, moving vehicles, and other tagged items in business processes where fixed reader class performance is required in a portable device. Communication is seamless between the RFID tag and reader. IST RFID has a great offering of products for your RFID needs, including handheld devices, antennas, fixed readers, and accessories. For more information, contact us at 877-435-0670 or click on link below in description.